Let's see what Ipsy gave me. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you what is inside my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Plus box for the month of December. Yay! Had some issues last month and this month. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I am a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer, a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you can check out. Also, while you're at it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, subscribe to the fam, hit the notification bell, so therefore you know when I'm posting, but I normally post on Tuesdays and Fridays, except for lately. I know my consistency's been off. And give this video a like while you're at it. Okay, so Ipsy hasn't really been nice to me the past couple months. I recorded my video last month for it, but then I was just like, meh, I don't feel like putting it up. I'm just telling it like it is. And I actually ended up receiving a broken item. And the item that I really, really wanted too. It was the highlighter from Makeup Geek. And I was so stoked to get it. And then, oh, hold on. Let's fix this. Okay. I was so stoked to get it. And then it was broken. I mean, like completely broken, beyond repair. Because normally I can repair stuff. No biggie, but completely beyond repair. So I emailed Ipsy, let them know what happened. They were like, okay, we'll send you out a new one. But I didn't get a new Makeup Geek highlighter. Let me show y'all what I got instead. Okay, so I didn't get a Makeup Geek highlighter. This is what I got. It is the Wonder Beauty Catch the Light highlighter and glotion in Celestial. And I started laughing because I had gotten a sample of this probably about 5-6 months ago, and I gave it away. And I'm just like, I'm not going to use this. So yeah, thanks Ipsy for that. For sending me a product I didn't even want. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into the regular Ipsy bag. All right, so this is the bag for December. I don't know. I mean, I like the green zipper, but I don't know what they're doing with this kind of like aluminum foil Tin Man looking bag. I'm not a fan of it. It's just, it looks like crinkled aluminum foil to me. So yeah, I don't know what's going on. But let's go ahead and open her up. Let's get the card out. This month's theme is Sparkle, Shimmer, and Shine. This month, let's clink glasses to a year full of diving in, bearing all, and finding your light. It is time to celebrate how far you've come. Alright, that's not bad. And on the back, it says, ring in the new, what a year. We dreamed big and brought you more choices, more personalization, more memberships. Hello, Glam Bag Plus and Ultimate, and more of what you want with add-ons. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what we got. And each month I do pick one item out that I want in my bag. I can't remember what I picked out. I know what I picked out in my Ipsy Plus box, but I can't remember what in my actual bag. Okay, the first thing that I got is from the brand Vet. It is the foam. It is the mild foam cleanser in fresh, clean coconut. Oh my God. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I can see how much is in this little bottle. And I'm not kidding you guys. I'm going to use the back. I'm not kidding you. It's filled to right here. I'm not kidding. I really wish I was. Oh my God, that is crazy. I'm not sure if this brand is cruelty-free. I've never heard of this brand before. So I am going to have to check to see if they are cruelty-free, and I'll pop it at the bottom of the screen. All right, next item. This is the item I picked out. It is from Tarte, And it is their Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Shimmer and Shake. Let's see what she looks like. Ooh, it's a nice darky peach shade. Y'all know I'm a sucker for some peach blush. And I love Tarte's blushes. They are so soft and they last such a long time. Oh, that's super pretty. I really like that. I really, really like that. Glad I picked that out. Okay, I don't know if this is the brand name, but it says Skin Regimen Night Detox Overnight Pro Vitality Mask. I have never heard of this brand, so I don't know if they are cruelty-free or not. It says dermatologically tested. Y'all know I have a problem saying that word. But it doesn't state on here if it hasn't been tested on animals. So I'm going to have to check that and pop that at the bottom of the screen as well. All right, next item we got. I guess this brand is named Tipsy. And this is their Lip Crush Lip Oil in 001 Sweet Tooth. Once again, don't know if this brand is cruelty-free or not. So I'm going to have to check and put it at the bottom of the screen. Either way, I don't think I'm going to keep this. I am not a super huge fan of lip oils. There's only actually maybe one or two that I absolutely love. All right, last item we have is from Phase Zero Makeup. Excuse me. And it is a pressed eyeshadow in the shade Banana Beige. Nothing too fancy. I have palettes with this shade in it, so I'm probably not going to keep it. And of course, I don't know if it's cruelty-free. That's pretty sad that out of 5 products, I don't know if 4 of them are cruelty-free. I'm going to have to look them up. That's pretty sad. But yeah, I'll look this up and I will pop it at the bottom of the screen to let you guys know. All right, I am going to clean all this up and I am going to let you guys know what is in my Ipsy Glam Plus box. All right, now, I had stated earlier in my video I had a problem with this month's box, and I did. Hubster went and picked it up from where I get my mail at, and he noticed that there was something liquidy coming out of the box. So I had a product, didn't leak, it just wasn't closed all the way. So I didn't know what was in it. I didn't open the box to see what else was in my box for the month, but he opened it and it was this. This was not, the bottle of this was not closed all the way. And I mean, I don't know if you guys can see it, but I have less than half a bottle in here now because it got everywhere. This is the, I don't know if it's Evule Super Oil. This is cruelty-free. So, yeah, it's a type of super oil. Yeah, either way, it was all over my box. Let's see what else is next. Oh, here's the card. Oh, feels like I got some face masks. Yep, from the brand Feel, I got 4 bamboo charcoal facial sheet mask. I actually love charcoal sheet masks, especially for when I got craters popping up. It's really good if you got acne coming up. I do believe this brand is cruelty free because I've gotten stuff from them before. So I am really excited to try these out. All right, next item we got. Why is this in my box? Why? It is from Morphe, and it is their Mega Matte Super Matte Lipstick in the shade Dominant. Yeah, I'm not keeping that. All right, next item. Ooh, this is actually the item I picked. And it's from Tarte, and it is their Stay Spray Setting Spray. I can't wait to try this. See, that's where that oil leaked all down this box. This is the bag. The crinkled aluminum bag. Oh, but this zipper is blue as opposed to the regular bag is green. All right. Yeah, one more item. Okay, it is from the brand Ipsy. It's either Ipsy or Ipsy. And it is a palette. A build your own palette. Called the palette. Is this just an empty palette? It's pretty. Okay. 4 little eyeshadows in there. Probably won't keep this. I guess you pick this up. Okay, I see. You pick this up, and then there's the... Okay. Well, that's kind of cool. They give you the magnetic palette, or they give you the Z palette, and then they put 4 eyeshadows in there. That's cool. I probably won't keep this anyways, because I have so many Z palettes to begin with. But I wonder if when you purchase this, if it actually does come with the eyeshadows in it. Or if this was just an Ipsy type thing. I don't know. All right, I'm going to clean all this up, and then we're going to run down the prices for these Ipsy Glam Bag Plus products. All right, let's go ahead and run down these products for the Ipsy Glam Plus box. The Ipsy, it's the Van Ness Eyeshadow Quad. Okay, so you do get the eyeshadows in it when you purchase this. And this is $60. Why? Why is this that much money? I don't get it. I don't get it at all. Avoulet Skincare Super Oil. Holy cow. For this to leak all in my box is ridiculous because this is $68. And I have less than half of it to try. Are you freaking kidding me? That is insane. The Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray. That's a lot. It doesn't even say that on there. This retails for $25. The Morphe lipstick that I won't keep retails for $9. And the set of 4 Feel Beauty facial sheet masks is $35 for a set of 4. What? Whew. These brands. Whew. Crazy. Overall, I wasn't really impressed with this month. One, for the fact that 4 out of the 5 brands that I got in my regular bag, I have to check to see if they're cruelty-free or not. And I probably won't keep the skincare ones because I've got so much skincare stuff upstairs. It's ridiculous. I can like start my own skincare bar with how much skincare stuff I have upstairs. It's redonk. I'm not going to keep this. I am definitely not keeping this. I'm going to keep the setting spray and the sheet mask. And this got all over my box. So I'm not really happy with this month. I don't like the design of the bag. Like I said before, it looks like crinkled aluminum foil. I'm just not really impressed with this month. And that's that's sad because the past couple months, Ipsy's been really knocking it out of the park for me. So, yeah. Not impressed. I will put links down below if you want to sign up for Ipsy. It is just a referral link, not an affiliate link. I do not earn any money from the link at all. It's just there if you want to sign up. And that is all that I have for you guys today. All my social media handles will be down in the description bar. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you see on with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. I love you all so much, and I will see you on Tuesday. Bye! Ipsy needs to get it together. They really, really do. I'm not even going to email about this because it's just, I'm not wasting my time. People are going to say I'm lazy because I use the same makeup and same shirt for 2 videos, but guess what? I don't care. I am ready to take this makeup off.